One of you awesome folks left a comment asking me to backtest this strategy on the 1 minute time frame, and I'm pumped to dive in. The strategy's creator says it's a winner for Forex pairs. We'll start with the 1000 account, risking 2% per trade and aiming for a 1 to 1.5 risk-reward ratio. This strategy uses some indicators and tools, so let's get them set up on your chart. First up, we'll grab the 1-minute scalping system by this amazing author. Next, we'll add the ATR stop-loss finder by VeriFit. And finally, let's toss in the Williams percentage indicator by this amazing author. I know you're probably scratching your head and telling yourself, oh, I'm using the free plan of TradingView. I'm only able to use just 2 indicators on the free plan. I know that, believe me. So make sure to watch the entire tutorial until the end because I'm going to show you different approaches to use, and it's kind of a workaround to use more than just 2 indicators on the free plan of TradingView. So stick around until the end. Now, let's tweak these tools. For the 1-minute scalping system, double-click it, set the trend length period to 88 instead of 100, and switch the second bar's color to yellow. Keep just 3 style options checked. For the ATR stop-loss finder, ditch the tables since we don't need them. Change the ATR multiplier to 0.85 from 1.5. And uncheck one extra option. We'll leave the Williams percentage on its default settings. Alright, let's break down the rules for this strategy. For buy, we need a green baseline, the entire candle body above that line, a new buy signal from the Williams percentage, let's say yellow line crossing above blue, and a green trigger candlestick. If the candlestick's yellow when the buy signal hits, wait for a green one. When all conditions line up, place a buy order at the trigger candle's close. Set the stop loss at the ATR band and target 1.5 times your risk. The baseline keeps us in the trend direction and ensures we avoid choppy markets by requiring the candle body to be above it. The Williams percentage is solid, but it can spit out some false signals, so stick around. Later, I'll swap it out to make this strategy even better. For short trades, flip the rules. Red baseline, candle body below it, Williams percentage sell signal, or let's say blue line crossing above yellow, and a red trigger candlestick. Place a sell order at the candle's close, stop loss at the upper ATR band, and aim for 1.5 times the risk. Here's a couple of no-go examples. If the baseline is green and Williams signals a buy, but the candles isn't fully above the line, skip it. Or if the baseline is red, the candles below, and the sell signal hits but no red candlestick shows, wait for a valid one. Another time, a sell signal failed because the candle wasn't below the line. But when all checks out, you've got a solid trade. Let's backtest this and see how it holds up. I ran 100 setups in 3 days on the 1-minute chart. The win rate? A decent 51%, growing the account by 67.79%. Spreads and fees might cut that in live trading, but even half those gains would mean 10% daily returns. Drawdowns were low, the equity curve stayed steady, and the profit factor hit 1.56 with 7 straight wins versus 5 losses. I think we can do better though, since Williams percentage gives too many fake signals. Let's replace it with the ADX indicator by this amazing author. Tweak it by removing the ADX and 20 level lines. The buy rules stay similar. Green baseline, candle body above it, ADX buy signal, or let's say green line crossing above red, and a green trigger candlestick. Same money management applies. ADX gives fewer but more accurate signals. For shorts, you need a red baseline, candle below it, ADX sell signal, and a red candlestick. One key exception: if ADX signals a buy, the candlestick's green and above the line, but the baseline is still red, wait for the candle to close. If the baseline turns green next candle, take the trade without waiting for another close. This setup kills it in sideways market by filtering out bad signals. When the market trends, valid entries pop up, like a solid long or short trade when conditions align. I backtested this version over 9 days for 100 setups, and the result blew me away. 75% win rate, 453.92% account growth, and a 4.5 profit factor with 12 consecutive wins versus 4 losses. Life rating might have those gains, but that's still insane. This is my top strategy yet, and I'm sharing it for free. All I ask is a quick like to support the channel. It's second in win rate, but number 1 for account growth. No other strategy could pull it off on an account in just 9 days. Got any ideas or strategies? Drop a comment below.